Let's look at a single layer of this integrated circuit and run through a simplified set of steps used to build it. To start, a layer of insulating silicon dioxide is deposited on top of the wafer, and then a layer of light-sensitive photoresist is spread across the top. Next, using UV light and a stencil, a pattern is applied to the photoresist. Solvents then are used to remove the areas hit by the UV light, thus creating a patterned mask layer. Using the mask, the revealed silicon dioxide is etched away down to the previous layer. Next, the mask layer is removed, and a layer of copper is added to cover the wafer and fill in the areas that were just etched away. Finally, the surface is ground down and leveled off to reveal the copper and insulator patterns, and thus a single layer is completed. In order to build the next layer, which is a vertical set of metal vias, we repeat the same set of steps, but use a different pattern for the photomask. Since these layers are all built using the same set of steps, it's more effective to visualize the steps as a circle, like a clock. To build all the 80 layers of the die, this sequence is repeated over and over, resulting in 940 steps. One important note is that the FinFET transistors at the bottom are even more complicated than the metal wires, and thus additional steps are needed to fabricate them.